Topic: Food we get from plants. Let's start with a chapter: Food we get from plants. There are many plants around us. They are useful to use in many ways. Before learning about the various foods we get from plants and their other uses, let us revise the different types of plants. On the basis of the size and the type of stem, plants can be grouped as trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, or creepers. Now, trees. These plants are big. They have a single thick woody stem called a trunk. It is generally covered by a thick and rough bark that protects the stem. Neem, mango, and banyan are examples of trees, as you can see in the image. Shrubs. These plants are generally smaller than trees. They have many thin wood stems near the ground, so they appear like a bush. Rose, hibiscus, and cotton plants are examples of shrubs. Herbs. These plants are generally smaller than shrubs. They usually have a single non woody stem, which is delicate and green in color. Coriander, spinach, and mint are examples of herbs. Climbers. These plants have weak stems and need the support of other plants, walls, or sticks for climbing. They attach themselves to the support with the help of thin, curling stem called tendrils. Bean, grapevine, and bitter ground are examples of climbers. Creepers. These plants have weak stem but heavy fruits, so the stem cannot hold the plants upright. The plants grow along the ground. Watermelon and strawberry are example of creepers. Edible parts of plants. Certain parts of plants are edible and are used as food items, like stems. Stems of certain plants are swollen and sometimes juicy, as they store food. Plants such as the sugar cane, potato, and ginger store food in their stem. These stems are eaten as food. Roots. Roots of plants such as the carrot, turnip, radish, and beetroot are thick and fleshy because food prepared by the plant is stored in them. We eat these roots as vegetables. Now, leaves. Most plants prepare and store food in their leaves. The leaves of plants such as spinach, cabbage, and lettuce can be eaten raw or cooked. Flowers. The flowers of some plants store food and are edible. Cauliflower and broccoli are flowers that we eat. Fruits. The fruits of some plants are edible. Banana, mango, orange, pear, and guava are fruits that we eat. Seeds. The seeds of some plants are edible. Rice, wheat, maize, barley, kidney bean, and chickpeas are different types of seeds that we eat. The edible seeds of plants such as rice, wheat, maize, and barley are called cereal. The seeds of wheat are used to make flour. Different types of breads are made from this flour. Cereals are also called food grains. As you can see the images, rice grain, wheat grain, kidney beans, chickpeas. The edible seeds of plants such as green gram, kidney bean, and chickpea are called pulses. Nuts. The edible part of some fruits and seeds are eaten as nuts. Most nuts have a hard shell covering them. Some common nuts are cashew nuts, almonds, and walnuts. Plant products. Parts of some plant are used to make different food items such as tea, coffee, cocoa, sugar, spices, oil, and medicine. Tea leaves, coffee beans, cocoa beans, and sugarcane stem. We get tea coffee, cocoa, and sugar from plants. The leaves of the tea plant are used to make tea. The seeds of coffee and cocoa plants are usually called beans. Coffee beans are used to make coffee. People drink tea and coffee as beverages. Cocoa beans are crushed and are used to make cocoa. Cocoa is used to make chocolates. Sugarcane is used to make sugar and jaggery. Dried seeds, fruits, roots, and bark. The dried seeds, fruits, roots, and bark of certain plants are used as spices. Spices are used to add flavor to food. The bark of the cinnamon tree, the fruit of the cardamom plant, the dried flower buds of the clove plant, and fruits of the pepper plant are used as spices. The seeds of mustard and cumin plants are also used as spices in cooking. Oils. The seeds of some plants such as mustard, sunflower, and groundnut are used to make oil. These seeds are called oil seeds. Some fruits such as olives and coconuts are also used to make oil. The oil that we get from fruits is used for cooking and as hair oils. Medicines. Parts of certain plants are used to make medicines. The dried flowers, buds of the clove plant, the stem of the turmeric plant, and the leaves of plants such as tulsi and neem are used to make medicines. Thus, we can see that plants are very useful to living things. We should grow lots of plants around us. Now the time for question answer. Write T for true and F for false. Grapevine and bitter ground are examples of creepers. It's a false. Broccoli is a flower that we eat. It's true. Pulses are also known as food grains. It's false. Sugarcane is used to make jaggery. True. Coffee seeds are also known as oil seeds. It's a false. Let's start with the question answers. Section 1 A. Name the following. First, plants smaller than shrubs with non-woody stem is herbs. Second, plants that grow along the ground is creepers. Third, single, thick, woody stem of trees is trunk. Fourth, plants that grow with support of walls or sticks is climbers. B. Give two examples of the following. First, plants that store foods in root. Examples are radish, carrot. Second, medicinal plants. Examples tulsi, neem. Third, edible seeds. Examples rice and wheat. Fourth, herbs that are mint and coriander. Fifth, oil seeds are mustard seed and sunflower seed. Now see, choose the correct option. First, dash is an example of a climber. Options are mint, grapevine, spinach and banyan. Answer is grapevine. Grapevine is an example of a climber. Second, we get oil from this fruit. Options orange, mango, apple, coconut. Answer is coconut. We get oil from a coconut fruit. Third, we eat the leaf of this plant. Options cabbage, rice, pear, and coconut. Answer is cabbage. We eat cabbage leaf of the plant. Fourth, we eat the roots of this plant as vegetables. Options cherry, potato, mango, and tulip. Answer is tulip, turnip. We eat the roots of turnip plant as vegetables. Fifth, dash have many thin woody stems near the ground. Options are herbs, climbers, shrubs, and trees. Answer is shrubs. Shrubs have many thin woody stems near the ground. Next, write T for true and F for false and correct the false statement. First, tea is a beverage. It's a true statement. Second, broccoli is a flower that we eat. It's true. Third, cereals are called food grains. It's true. Fourth, watermelon and strawberry are examples of creepers. It's a true statement. Fifth, shrubs have a single woody stem. It's true. Next, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. First, beetroot and dash are examples of root we eat. Options are sugarcane and carrot. Answer is carrot. Beetroot and carrot are examples of roots we eat. Second, we get tea, coffee, and dash from plants. Options are sugar or water. Answer is sugar. We get tea, coffee, and sugar from plants. Third, rice is a dash cereal or spice. Rice is a cereal. Fourth, dash is a climber. Bean or neem. Answer is bean. Bean is a climber. Fifth, the stem of dash is used to make medicines. Potato or turmeric. The stem of turmeric is used to make medicines. Next, match the following. First, nuts, that is F, almond. Second, beverages with coffee, that is C. Third, mustard with oil, that is B. Fourth, tulsi with medicine, that is E. Fifth, wheat with flour, that is 8. Sixth, chickpeas with pulses, that is D. Section 2, short answer questions. First question, give two examples of herbs. Answer, mint and coriander plants are examples of herbs. Second question, what are creepers? Answer, creepers is a plant that grows along the ground and has weak stem and heavy fruits. Example, watermelon and pumpkin. Third, what are oil seeds? Answer, the seeds of some plants used to make oil are called oil seeds. For example, mustard and groundnut oil. Fourth, how are the stem of the trees different from the stem of herbs? Answer, the stem of trees are woody, which is known as trunk. The stem of herbs are single, non-woody and delicate, which is green. Fifth question, what are cereals? Give two examples. Answer, the edible seeds of plants are called cereals. Two examples of wheat and rice. Sixth question, what are spices? Give two examples. Answer, the dried seeds, fruits and roots, the bark of certain plants that are used to add flavor of our food. For example, the bark of cinnamon tree, fruits of the cardamom. 7. Name three plants that are used to make medicines. Answer, clove plants, turmeric plant and tulsi plants are used to make medicines. Long answer questions. First question, write a note on the various types of plants. Answer, various types of plants are below. First is trees. These plants are big, single, thick and woody stem. It covered by a thick and rough bark that protects the stem. Example, mango tree. Second, shrubs. These plants are smaller than trees, thin, woody stem, appears like a bush. For example, rose. Third, herbs. These plants are generally smaller than shrubs. Single, non-woody stem, which is delicate and green in color. For example, coriander. Fourth, climbers. These plants have weak stem and need the support of other plants, walls or sticks for climbing. For example, bean. Second question, write in detail about various types of products that we get from plants. Answer, some plants are used to make different food items that are first, tea, coffee, cocoa, sugar. Tea plants are used to make tea. From coffee beans used to make coffee and cocoa beans used to make cocoa. Cocoa is used to chocolates. Sugar cane used to make sugar and jaggery. Second, spices. The dried seeds, fruits, roots, and bark of certain plants are used as spices. The bark of the cinnamon tree, the fruits of the cardamom plant, and the dried flowers, buds of the clove plant, fruits of pepper plant. Third, oils. The seeds of some plants such as mustard, sunflower, and groundnut are used to make oil. Fourth, medicines. Parts of the certain plant used to make medicines. The dried flower buds of the clove, the stem of the turmeric plant, and the leaves of the tulsi and neem plants used to make medicines. Now, picture study. Rahul is standing outside a grocery and dried fruits shop. His mother has given him a list of things to buy from there. Help him to identify each item. The list of things to buy: cinnamon 50 grams, almonds 250 grams, clove 50 grams, cashew nuts 500 grams. Below are the pictures. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications of new video updates.